The Iron Man, Rod Tang, coming up against Japanese royalty, the only three-weight K1 kickboxing world champion, Takeru Sagawa.
I am torn, to be honest with you, because Rotang is the exact fighter that brought me to the One Championship. He was the first fighter I've watched. How I think the fight would play out, it's a matter of who's going to be the most durable here. Is going to be the one that's going to win, to be honest with you. And I think Rotang may just be the more durable fighter here. Sagawa, he's also quite extremely durable. He can go all the distance, just like Rotang can. But Takeru does the one thing, the monster deep kick. It's a powerful weapon that a lot of Japanese athletes are using. And now a lot of them have actually been successful in the One Championship is by deep kicking the Thai fighters to oblivion. It's going to be a battle of two bulls here. A lot of ways that this fight can go, and that makes it very tricky for me to give a definitive winner.
Rod Tang does lose a lot when you take the elbows out of the game.
Yes.
It is just limiting in terms of he's not able to use his full arsenal. So
You see,
based on that, I'm gonna go with Takeru to get this done. Is there any chance I could make you choose?
convince me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Takeru's gonna win the fight purely based that this is a fight that he has announced to potentially be his last of his career. So I'm sure he's gonna want to go out in a bang, and because it's in Japan, it makes sense. The writing's on the wall for me. And yeah, I think Takeru's gonna go out here as the